Hey y'all, it's Chaz's Lockpicking here, and I had an interesting comment on my video from yesterday. I featured this lock and also this lock, and did a little picking comparison to the two. But what I didn't realize was this M1 key was originally designed for a 4-pin lock. And you can see on this one, this is a standard mastered M1 key, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. And that's what this key was designed for. And what Paclock has done they have turned this M1 key into a 5-pin key for a 5-pin lock. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and right there on the tip is your 5th pin. And after I read the comment, I had to go back and double check, because I didn't even think about the M1 being a 4-pin key. And indeed, Paclock has made it into a 5-pin key, a standard 5-pin key for their Paclock 95G padlock. And I even counted them in the lock to make sure that that just wasn't a different type of cut as opposed to the standard style where there's a little peak on the end. So hopefully y'all be able to hear this. I'm gonna go in and count them for y'all. Now, let me try it again. Probably be easier if I go upside down. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is indeed a 5-pin stacks in this padlock. It's kind of hard to get it to where you can hear it, but there is indeed 5. And I thought that was quite interesting. Let me know what y'all think about that. And let me know if y'all have ever come across this padlock and noticed that. I thought it was pretty cool what they did with the M1 key. So that's all I got for this video. Thanks, y'all.